Want to create amazing videos but don't have a big budget or professional equipment? What if I told you that you could make stunning videos for free, using only AI? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Get ready to level up your content game. First up, the script. You need a great story, right? Head over to a free AI writing tool like ChatGPT or Gemini. Just type in your video idea. For example, a 1-minute video script about the benefits of morning exercise. The AI will generate a complete script for you in seconds. You can ask for different tones, lengths, or styles. Tweak it until it's perfect, and boom, your script is done. Next, let's create the voiceover. You don't need a fancy microphone. There are amazing free AI text-to-speech tools out there. A popular one is 11lbs, which offers a free tier. Just copy and paste your script into the tool. Choose a voice that you like. They have tons of realistic options, and click generate. You'll get a high-quality audio file ready to use. It's that simple. Now for the fun part, the visuals. This is where the magic really happens. We'll use a free AI video generator like Pika Labs or Runway ML. These tools can turn your text prompts into incredible video clips. For example, you can type a person jogging in a park during sunrise. Cinematic style. The AI will create a short video clip based on your description. Generate a few different clips to match the different parts of your script. Finally, it's time to put it all together. You can use a free and easy-to-use video editor like CapCut. It's available on both your phone and computer. Import your voiceover audio and all the AI-generated video clips. Arrange the clips on the timeline to match the narration. You can add free background music from CapCut's library. Throw in some text overlays and add smooth transitions between clips. Once you're happy with your edit, just export the final video. And there you have it. You've just created a professional-looking video using nothing but free AI tools. From script to final product, all without spending a dime. The possibilities are endless, so go ahead and start creating. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments what kind of AI video you're going to make first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.